আমাদের যে গেস্ট আছে সবাই অলরেডি জানতে পেরেছেন, উনি যোগা টিচার, অল ইন্ডিয়া ইনস্টিটিউট অফ আয়ুর্বেদ, মিনিস্ট্রি অফ আয়ুষ, এবং ফর্মার টিচার অফ ইন্ডিয়ান কালচার অ্যান্ড যোগা ইন হাই কমিশন অফ ইন্ডিয়া, বাংলাদেশ। আমাদের দেশে এর আগে যে যোগা ডে হতো, এই যোগা ডে গুলো ওনরাই অর্গানাইজ করতেন স্টেডিয়ামে। তো আপনারা অনেকেই প্রথম থেকে ছিলেন, আমি ক্ষমা চেয়ে নিচ্ছি, সরি, আমাদের রিস্টার্ট করতে হয়েছে, টেকনিক্যাল কিছু প্রবলেম ছিল। তো ডিম্পি অলরেডি অনেক কিছু বলেছে। ডিম্পি, I will request you to explain everything from the beginning. Sorry, just
Sure.
shortly introduce yourself. Then I will ask you some question, যেগুলো আমাদের দর্শক ভিউয়ার্স যারা আছে তাদের জন্য। Please carry on. Just introduce yourself first.
Yes. So, Mr. Jewel has already given a brief introduction that I work in All India Institute of Ayurveda, which is under Government of India, and I have been former teacher of Indian culture and yoga in High Commission of India, Dhaka, and I have served in Rajshahi as well. And other than that, I would say we are talking about yoga today. So I'll just tell you a basic difference between yoga and the other kriyas. So the movement which we talk about, so movement can be any physical movement, but what is the difference between that physical movement and the yogic movement? In yoga, everything is based on your breathing. So if you're taking your arm up or taking it down, so everything you have to do with the movement of your breath. So not that you have to move your breath with your body, but with the breath you have to move your body. That's the main difference between any physical. And today also we have this topic Shatkarma. And I had some few questions asked by Mr. Jewel Rashid. So if you will repeat the questions, then again, I'll start explaining.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for cooperation, ডিম্পি।
Yes.
আমাদের আজকের সাবজেক্ট হচ্ছে শতকর্মা, দেহের যৌগিক পরিশোধন, which is শতকর্ম, yogic purification of the body. And I will have some questions which is very close related to the pandemic situation, corona. Dimpy, uh, can you please explain why yogic purification of the body we can call Shatkarma? Shatkarma, can you please just explain what is Shatkarma?
Yes. So, as I told earlier, the name Shatkaram, it comes directly from the kriyas only. Shat means six, and the karam are the procedures or the kriyas, activities. So the name comes Shatkaram, the six basic kriyas for the cleansing of your inner body. Because the outer body, we have been doing so many physical kriyas, physical exercises, we are playing sports, we are doing asana, but for the inner body, we cannot do much because we cannot really see the inner body. So Shatkaram are the process which are mainly focused on your inner body, and we cleanse the inner body with the help of air, with the help of water, or anything which is natural. So these are the
Okay.
process. The names are, yeah. Would you like me to explain the names as well? The six names, so people would have a little bit
Yeah,
of
sure. Carry
idea.
on.
Yeah. So the six names are, there is Dhoti, Basti, Neti, Noli, Tratak, and Kapal Bhati. And this is a misconception that, those people who have been introduced with yoga, sometimes they think that Kapal Bhati is pranayam. So I would like to clear that Kapal Bhati is one of the Shatkaram kriyas. Kapal Bhati is not pranayam.
All right.
That would be like it. Yeah.
Okay, then Dimpy, nowadays, since last year, all over the world, the doctor, especially WHO, World Health Organization, is saying to increase immune power. Can you please explain how Shatakaram can help human body to increase immune power?
Yes.
Are you listening me, Dimpy? Can you hear me?
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You can carry on.
told you that we body in is clear from inside your it affects your outer body. They work faster, they work properly. Am I audible, Rashid ji?
Yeah, I'm listening you. I'm listening you. You carry on.
Okay,
Thank
great.
you.
Okay, all right. So once your when we talk about respiratory system, your digestive system, once they are properly cleansed from the inside and detoxified, purified, they work properly. Once they are working properly, and obviously the immunity is gonna increase because they are working better and faster.
That's
And the
great.
oxygen intake also increases in your body, which is a very main point.
Then what do you think? Everybody mandatorily need to do the yoga every day?
Yes, I think so. And in yoga, especially, everyone should do the Shatkaram kriyas and the pranayam kriyas, I would suggest. Because pranayam is directly related with your breath. Whatever we do is related with our breath. If there is no air inside your body, obviously the human body is not going to survive. So the main work is of your pran only, of your breath. When you inhale and exhale, and how you inhale and exhale, that also matters. So if you practice regularly the Shat Kriyas, first because it cleanses your body, and once your bodies are cleansed properly, and then you can start with the breathing Kriyas. Because breathing is the thing which will support you physically in the long process.
Okay, thank you. Then, Dimpy, what do you think? Like to realize anything, to realize any improvement of the body, how many weeks or what will be the duration period to realize that yoga is helping the body? If any person want to realize that, yeah, I am feeling better or I am improving my physical condition, then what will be the period, do you think?
If it's very severe, uh, in some people you can see in one session only the effects.
Sorry, can you
Just
please say again?
in one session only. In some people you can see the changes in one session only, like in 20 minutes or in 1 hour duration only, you can see the changes.
Oh, really? That's great.
Yes, yes,
That's great. Actually, so many people don't know about it. Even
yes.
I have the interest to know more about yoga. I'm listening about yoga since my childhood, but I was not habituated with that. Now I am planning to uh, continue, and definitely I will prefer your advice to continue and make it a habit in my daily life. And I hope so many people will interest regarding this yoga.
I hope they do that because, sorry, because definitely it will increase their not only the immunity, I would say, but yes, their general lifestyle.
Sorry, and the COVID period, like this time in my
Yes.
country, the lockdown is has started from yesterday, and
Okay.
if anyone want to utilize the time properly by doing the
Yes.
yoga, it's not very hard, right?
No, it's not really very aggressive because if you do other physical activities, they need proper space, they need proper equipments, and you need some time frame as well for that. But with yoga, it's the only thing which matters is your stomach has to be a little empty, and you can practice it anywhere, and you don't need too much of space while practicing kriyas, and there are no equipments that you need that you have to spend extra on those equipments, so it's just your body and you only, so you have to try to connect with your
Yeah,
body
yeah,
only.
yeah. That's true. That's true. Then we will expect some suggestions or advice for our viewers at this moment, and after that we will plan uh, in future discussing with you the available time and other aspects. We will think about the future plan, what our viewers want here. our
Sure.
side, Doctors Information is working since long time in the e-health sector, and in the COVID period since last year, we served a lot of people here, and those who are the regular patients and the viewer, they know it very well. And I think this session will be very helpful for the viewers as well. So just give some suggestions or advice to fit the physical condition in this COVID pandemic period to our viewers.
Yes. So first thing I would tell is to practice the breathing every day. And I can demonstrate you as well. Just one breathing kriya, which everyone can practice easily. So there is no effect on the high BP patients or the low BP patients, and even a kid or a very old person can do those breathing kriyas. So the one kriya I'm going to teach is you have to just sit straight in any comfortable posture. You can sit on your chair or on the sofa or on your bed. The only thing is your spine has to be straight. And you want to close your eyes or you want to open your eyes, it's up to you only. And just fast inhale and exhale. So try to practice this regularly. Start with 1 minute, increase the time period for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, but you have to relax for the equal time period as well. So if you have practiced the Kriya for 1 minute, then you have to relax for 1 minute as well for the body to absorb the effect of those Kriyas. And with this breathing, not only it affects your respiratory system, the oxygen level also increases when you inhale and exhale very fast. The body pushes the carbon dioxide immediately out of your body and the oxygen hits your brain. So you have to be careful because sometimes when people start with the rigorous breathing, they feel dizzy or their head starts to spin. So if their head is spinning or they are feeling that something is happening inside their head, so they don't have to worry because it's just the oxygen hitting your brain. So relax for a minute and then start again. Practicing this every day, you'll see the difference in your breathing pattern, and your nostrils will
Oh,
also not get blocked.
wow, that's a great advice, I think, because the uh, pandemic corona that affects the
Yes,
breathing problem, and
yes,
so many patients need the extra oxygen support for
yes,
that.
yes,
If the breathing practice makes improve or benefit the breathing problem, then it will be great. That's how
yes,
so many things can in the yoga session. Whenever we will know it clearly, then we can make it a habit. And those who are
yes,
doing it since long time, maybe they are definitely getting the benefit from it. How we
right.
believe. So thank you so much. Today we just started. It was just the start with you, and definitely you will be you are the registered teacher to our site, Doctors Information. And in future, according to the demand of our viewers,
Yes,
because Dimpy, we have so many doctors in our site, and we are trying to make our platform very strong and very trustable to everyone, to every patient, to
yes,
the depriver, those who are not getting the appropriate suggestion or advice, those who motivated,
true.
or those who biased in the wrong way in the treatment sector. We are
Yes,
just trying to improve the medical e-health medical service here. We have so many plans. Those who are already keep in touch with us since long time, they already knows that we have so many plans, and we are doing our level best. And I would thank you again that you make your time for this site for us today, and we will
thanks to
hope that
you
in
for
future,
inviting me.
yeah, I will hope that according to the demand of us and the viewer, in future you will definitely be with us, be with the people of here. As I know that you had so many sessions here in the stadium called Yoga Day, right?
Yes,
You did it several
yes,
times, and so many You have so many fans here in Bangladesh. You have so many fans. I know that. So best of luck for our all viewers today. We will come back again. Just deliver the last speech for the viewers.
I would just say that the kriya which I have just taught, the breathing, everyone should practice this every day, and not just you. Something must involve themselves with the everyone with something, something which keeps their body active, because these are the very crucial times, the COVID times. Right now it has just started with the respiratory system, and you don't know what all other systems it's going to affect. So I would suggest, keep yourself active, keep yourself aware, and try to get more and more knowledge about your surroundings, because once you are aware about your surroundings, then definitely you will be able to understand things a bit more clearly, which is more
Yeah,
important, I think, these days.
yeah, definitely, definitely. Thank you, Dimpy.
Thank you.
And I would say that we will arrange yoga session. In fact, we will arrange yoga classes. We may. It depends on our, leisure time. Even talking or discussing with you properly. We have so
Sure.
many plans. We will discuss and we will let this site know those who are interested in future. We will arrange so many things. Now I am just converting to Bengali. ধন্যবাদ আপনাদের সবাইকে যারা আজকের সেশনটি দেখলেন। আমি প্রথমেই দুঃখ প্রকাশ করেছি, আমাদের সাইটে একটু প্রবলেম ছিল, নেটওয়ার্কিং প্রবলেম, যে কারণে আমাদেরকে রিস্টার্ট করতে হয়েছে। সরি ফর দ্য ইনকনভেনিয়েন্স। এবং আমরা এই ডক্টরস ইনফরমেশন সাইটের মাধ্যমে প্রতিনিয়ত আপনাদেরকে সেবা দিয়ে যাচ্ছি। নিত্য নতুন যে জরুরি ডক্টর, জরুরি ট্রিটমেন্ট, সেই সব ব্যাপারে আমাদের সবসময় আমাদের টিম, স্ট্রং টিম আছে, অ্যাডভাইজার আছে, ম্যানেজমেন্ট টিম আছে, তাদেরকে নিয়ে আমরা চেষ্টা করে যাচ্ছি বাংলাদেশে একটা অভূতপূর্ব প্ল্যাটফর্ম তৈরি করার, যেখানে নিশ্চিন্তে মানুষ চিকিৎসা পাবে, অ্যাডভাইস পাবে। অলরেডি এটা হয়ে আসছে। তো আমরা আজকে শেষ করতে চাই, আজকে এই মুহূর্তে শেষ করতে চাই। Thanks again, Dimpy, to connect with us,
Thanks to you all.
and we will notice again to our side when will be our next session and what. I just want to say bye to all our viewers. Thank you সবাইকে। আবার দেখা হবে এই সাইটের মাধ্যমে। ভালো থাকুন, সবাই মাস্ক ইউজ করবেন। যতটুকু সম্ভব লকডাউনের মধ্যে আমাদের দেশে যে পরিস্থিতি, এটা নতুন করে বলার কিছু নাই অ্যাকচুয়ালি। সবাই আমরা জানি কি হচ্ছে অ্যারাউন্ড আস। তো আমাদেরকে সেফ থাকতে হলে কিভাবে থাকতে হবে সেটাও আমরা সবাই জানি। জাস্ট একটু বেশি কেয়ার ফুলনেসটা আমাদের মধ্যে যদি আনতে পারি, তাহলেই আমরা এই প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশন থেকে আমাদেরকে দূরে রাখতে পারবো, আমাদেরকে সেফ রাখতে পারবো। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ এভরিওয়ান। আজকের মতো বিদায় নিচ্ছি। ধন্যবাদ।